Welcome to this interactive study breakdown of transport systems in humans. In this video, we'll explore how your circulatory system delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removes waste. The human circulatory system is a double circulatory system. Blood passes through the heart twice for every complete circuit of the body. This ensures a high pressure can be maintained to supply oxygen to tissues rapidly. We'll cover heart structure, blood vessels, and blood components. By the end, you'll be able to link structure to function, a skill examiners love to test. Let's map out the double circulatory system. The pulmonary circuit carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and returns to the left atrium. The systemic circuit then pumps oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients. After unloading oxygen, blood becomes deoxygenated and returns to the right atrium. This two-stage loop keeps blood pressure high, allowing efficient oxygen delivery to meet high metabolic demands. Turning to our study notes on the heart. The heart has 4 chambers. Right and left atria receive blood, right and left ventricles pump it out. Key adaptation: the left ventricle has a much thicker muscular wall than the right because it must pump blood to the entire body at high pressure. The heart also contains valves to prevent backflow. Remember, the coronary arteries supply oxygenated blood to the heart muscle itself. Blockages cause heart attacks. Let's follow a drop of blood through the heart step by step. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium through the vena cava. The right atrium contracts, pushing blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Next, the right ventricle contracts, sending blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery and to the lungs. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and loses carbon dioxide. Oxygenated blood returns via the pulmonary vein to the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, blood passes through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. Finally, the powerful left ventricle contracts, forcing blood through the aortic valve into the aorta and out to the body. This sequence ensures one-way flow at high pressure. Let's work through a typical exam question. You are asked to compare arteries and veins. First, state their functions. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under high pressure, veins carry blood towards the heart under low pressure. Then link structure. Arteries have thick elastic walls to withstand pressure and a narrow lumen to maintain pressure. Veins have thinner walls, a wider lumen to reduce resistance, and valves to prevent backflow due to low pressure. Remember, always mention the adaptation for the function. This scores maximum marks. Watch out for these common pitfalls. Many students confuse the direction of blood flow. Arteries always carry blood away from the heart, even the pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood. Another mistake is forgetting that valves are found in veins and the heart, but not in arteries. Also, when comparing the left and right ventricle, always say the left ventricle has a thicker wall because it pumps to the entire body at high pressure. Finally, don't mix up plasma and hemoglobin. Plasma is the yellow liquid that transports dissolved substances like urea and carbon dioxide, while hemoglobin is the red protein inside red blood cells that binds oxygen. To wrap up, here are the key takeaways. The double circulatory system means blood goes through the heart twice per circuit, pulmonary to lungs, systemic to body. The heart has 4 chambers. The left ventricle has the thickest wall to generate high pressure. Arteries have thick walls and narrow lumens to handle high pressure, veins have thinner walls, wider lumens, and valves to ensure low pressure flow. Blood is composed of plasma, red blood cells, with hemoglobin, white blood cells, and platelets. Finally, remember the coronary arteries supply the heart muscle. Linking this to coronary heart disease is a common exam topic. Connect structure to function, and you'll ace those questions.